purchased all of the sanitation supplies at our local stores. And for some reason, all of the toilet paper.
But Vegeta, how did you wipe your butt?
You
didn't, bro.
I didn't. All of the Saiyans drolls.
Yo, what's good, guys? Welcome back to the Reaction Video. We're back to Rona Ball Z DBZ parody, uploaded by the boy SSJ. Already left a like on it. Y'all know what it is, man. That is what we're gonna be ready to get ready to in quite some time now. So let's see what this Rona Ball Z SSJ's presentation of the coronavirus meme, I guess, is what we're kind of going to be seeing today, y'all. So let's cue up the intro and get into the reaction.
Dick limousine, man, I need a vaccine cause I'm hotter than average. I go like that gadget and alien ass. I'm out of this planet. Adjustments all of the trashes you jamming on radio stations. And I'm holding back all of my laughs and I swear 30% of me trying ain't fair. Fuck with a nigga and see how you fare.
Man, it's my second video time doing the intro, so I'll probably have more stuff to say, but you know what I'm saying, look at him.
Sorry.
And made by SSJ, Prince Vegeta as well. Our voices in it.
I should punch you right in your testicles, Vegeta. Why didn't you wash your hands?
It was him, Kakarot.
Oh my gosh, if Frieza comes out, this bro. You already know what scene he's reenacting, y'all. Come on,
Lord Rona created the virus. He
Are you serious?
forced me and the other Saiyans to go weeks.
You better get that sensu beam then.
Washing.
Does it work?
You bitch! I mean, monster!
He even purchased all of the sanitation supplies at our local stores. And for some reason, all of the toilet paper.
But Vegeta, how did you wipe your butt?
You didn't, bro.
I didn't. All of the Saiyans drolls.
What? Okay, you caught me off guard with that one, bro. That was
Oh shit! Kakarot, please. You have to stop his ass and the virus for me.
Bro, please. Aw, dang. They're probably not gonna do it, but I wish they'd relive out the whole scene, like Krillin dying too. Spoiler. Y'all should already watch Dragon Ball. If you haven't, what are you doing? I didn't mean to spit on you, bro. Come on now. You know that wasn't for you. You know that wasn't meant for you. Come on. That was for the other guy. Or girl.
You fools! You cannot stop the virus! I am Lord Rona! I am the virus!
You better just drop it right now.
Well, it says here, just point and spray.
You fool! You can't stop Lord Rona!
Ah, shit! Oh, it is sprayed and disinfected in my eye socket! Oh, no! Oh, no!
Of course, man. Of course,
I did it, Vegeta! I defeated
where'd he get that pamphlet from, though? Who's the mastermind behind that?
Lord Rona!
Why you saying that?
Oh, no! Thank you so much for watching during this hectic time, and I hope we're all staying safe and sanitary. You know, I bet a lot of you have the sanitizer and the bleach close by, but do you have the bleach mobile game?
Oh! Huh? Ain't they dropping a new season?
Okay, Bleach Immortal Soul is an all-new free-to-play
my man
RPG
gets
mobile
sponsored by
game
Bleach?
available for Android and iOS. It's officially authorized by the anime creators, so you know it's lit. Featuring voice acting from the original anime, epic Bankai releases, and full-screen effects, get ready to dive back into the world of Bleach with action-packed battles and all the characters you know and love. My personal favorite part is the story mode, where you can unlock and level up your favorite characters, and you'll need to use strategy to create your
I played
team
this game
and
before,
attack
though, y'all. It's
order
pretty
to
good.
achieve victory. There's also
If you ever away
PvP,
from your
battle
Xbox or
arena,
something,
and many
you know what
more
I'm saying? Yeah, you
awesome
can get this
modes.
game
Plus,
going.
if you download using the link below, you'll get a kickoff prize of
Brother, I don't think you put a link down below. He's got a Patreon. Oh, never mind. That is it. Okay, yeah. Okay, well, I'll have his link down on my comment or description too, bro.
5,000 gold, 2 gacha tokens,
y'all already
and
watched this video
50
on this,
soul
do it.
gems. So thank you to Bleach Immortal Soul for supporting the channel. And you can do the same by downloading it and returning to the Soul Society today.
That's lit. Love that anime, by the way, y'all couldn't tell. Anyways, y'all, that's it for my reaction today, bruh. We've seen SSJ's take on the coronavirus memes and all that. It was pretty lit. I wish he could have had the little Krillin come through, you know what I'm saying? So we could get a little reenaction SSJ version of my homie Goku going Super Saiyan. But nah, he just put out the Sensu sanitizer, you know what I'm saying? We need some of that, bruh. We could be done with the... Why doesn't he just appear the Sensu sanitizer in his breath like a breath mint, you know what I'm saying? Like, and then it's gone, you know what I'm saying? The cough is gone. Why don't he do that? I mean, it killed him. I don't know, bruh. I don't know the science behind the Sensu bean. If I did, you know what I'm saying, I'd be a billionaire. Anyways, though, y'all, that's it for reaction today. Hope y'all did enjoy. Leave a like if you want more. Subscribe if you're new to my crew. Hit the notification bell. Join the game. Let you know new video drops. So go live. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye. Love you all in peace. Ow.
It seems kinda odd. I'm in the streets with my goddamn squad. Plus, so join your goddamn broad. Hey, there, Deku. I'm gonna kill.
Alright, yo, what's good, y'all? So y'all know what it is. Y'all know what time it is, bro. When y'all see me at the end of this video, when it's everything's said and done, something came through the mail. Ha! Would you look at that? Oh my goodness. Camera, are you going to focus? Anyways, that means something came through the mail, y'all. Well, it didn't really come through the mail. Got it from a gift from the dad and the mom, you know what I'm saying? So, we got 2 of them. We've got a Piccolo one and we got a Vegeta. I thought it was only right to open this Vegeta one for this reaction, y'all. So, which one will we open the Piccolo one on? I don't know. You'll have to wait and see, you know what I'm saying? It was going to be the Undertale one, but then I forgot. And that was a long enough video already. So, I was like, you know what I'm saying? We just going to hold that up. We're going to do this one right here. So, let's get it. So, y'all, first unboxing, you know what I'm saying? Something light. And I'm supposed to be streaming today too, by the way. So that might be happening right now as you're watching this, or maybe I just got done streaming. Either way, this was what we'll be unboxing, y'all. It is going to be Vegeta training. It's probably flipped on the camera, but yeah, he's in his training outfit. This is a kind of a legendary thing we got right here, okay? Yeah, so let's go ahead and open it up. I've never opened one of these before. Never got one before, you know what I'm saying? A little Funko Pop. Shout out to them if they want to sponsor. They know what to do, man. We can do a lot of giveaways. It'll be pretty lit. Anyways, though. That new box smell. It smells so good. Oh my goodness. So yeah, like I said, we're gonna take it out. You know what I'm saying? Take it out like that. Okay. You know, I want to mess it up, right? Because I'm going to put it back in. Maybe I'll show y'all it from this way, you know what I'm saying? Oh, that was easy. That was easy. Okay, so, you know what I'm saying? If you open one of these, y'all, you're going to want to pull the tab on the back, right, like right here. Just whoop, slide that bit out right there, you know what I'm saying? And, yo. So, boom. Oh snap! Would you look at it? Would you look at it? Would you just look at it? Would you just look at it? Okay, now I don't know how I take it out. I'm gonna have to like pull his back like his hairline, receive that thing, and then oh my gosh. Y'all wanna smell that? Smell it. Go ahead, bro. It smells like a brand new toy. Haven't got one of those in a while. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Look at that, the swag on this man. The swag on this man. Vegeta, who did your hair, bruh? That thing is crispy. What kind of hairspray do you use? Now here's the all question, can you move this? No. His headband is attached to his fluctuating hairline. So You can't actually move that, but if the camera would focus, you can see all the beautiful details within his work. Now, if this is anything like Toy Story, when I look at his foot, there's gonna be a name on there. Okay, it seems to be just like a serial number. But this is cool, is it not? I mean, come on, guys. Come on. There ain't no way. Now, I do need something to stand it up. There's actually a hole right here in his foot. Like, you could use it to put something in there and make him stand up right. There's probably a stand you can buy for him. But, wow. Wow, would you look at that? Oh my goodness. So I'm looking at the box. There's oh my gosh. Look what just fell out of the box. Roddy Rich. How many times I'm gonna make that joke? About how many times you guys are gonna hit that like button. Please continue. So I put that on. Wow. Could it get any better? Guys, could it get any better? Look at that. He's standing up on his own 2 legs, looking fly. What shoes are these? He got the new Nikes, bro. Look at that. Them LeBrons? He's killing it. I don't know what to tell you. He's really out here though. Now where will I put him in my room? Freak if I know, bruh. Probably like right next to the homie Goku. I mean, is this comparison in strength and size right now like relative, like, you know what I'm saying, relative to the anime? Is Vegeta that much bigger of a character than Goku? I don't know. Comment down below. What do you guys think? I mean, right now he's looking quite swole. At least his head is. Anyways, though, y'all, that's gonna be it for the unboxing. If you guys want to see the Piccolo one, just wait till the end of the video. You might be able to see it. I don't know which video it's gonna be in, but it's gonna be in one of these reactions, and whichever one makes sense to me to put it in, that will be there, and we will unbox them. I did not know these Funko Pops came with the actual stand. I thought it was just like, you know, a little collectible thing that didn't have one. But that is quite amazing. Anyways, though, y'all, it's gonna be for the video. Y'all already saw the outro, but I'll redo it for you guys one more time. And if you watched this far, thank you. I appreciate you. It means you really be watching my videos for more than just the reactions. That means a lot. By the way, if you guys like the gaming videos, make sure you guys leave a like on those, because I'm really trying to bring those out, but I don't know if you guys want to see them that much. So the more likes on those, the better it is. And if y'all don't really like the gaming videos too much, just keep showing love on the reactions. You guys will get more of it. You guys kind of control the channel in the way of, if you like a video, I'll be like, oh, they liked it, I'm gonna put it up again, you know what I'm saying? And if you don't like them, be like, I might not continue that, you know? But yeah, a good example is the Resident Evil Resistance, Resident Evil Online. Upload a video on that. If you guys can get it to 20 likes, I'll drop the next one. If not, it's fine. Don't worry about it. We'll just move on. But it was a pretty lit series. It's gonna be, the next video dropping out is gonna be pretty fire. But yeah, like I said, for the 5th time, I'm out here, y'all. Keep it divine. Love you all. Have a good day or night. I'll see you the next one. Peace.